Hello everybody and welcome to this Paper Cats tutorial. Let's get started. Starting with the head at the top, flip the paper over and fold in the right corner into the center of the paper. You can follow this fold line here and that will give you an accurate fold of where the crease is meant to be. So I'm just aligning the bottom here and then I'm going to give it a nice fold, making sure that it's creased well. And now we're going to do the same for the other side. So we're going to put the left corner into the center of the page, meeting the other fold. And you can use the fold line again for reference. Okay, now we're going to fold the bottom point to the top point. Like all of these folds, there will be lines on the paper which you can use as reference for where the fold should be. I'm just going to bring the right corner and fold that in to the line of the other fold. And now we're going to do the same for the other side. This is how it's looking currently. Now unfold that, and now we're going to fold the right side, this corner down to the middle. We're going to fold the side down to meet the middle fold. And do the same for the other side. Now bring the top point down to this line. Okay, now flip the paper over. And we're going to fold this line to this point here. Like so. Okay, now flip the paper back over. Now, we're going to bring both sides into the middle and it will create a triangle at the top. So bring both edges into the middle, like so. and give it a little push down on the sides and a push down in the middle to fold them flat. And now we're going to push down on the face to fold that flat, and you'll end up with a nice triangle at the top. I'm just going to take you through this again. So fold both sides into the middle to meet each other and push them down flat so they're folded downwards, and then push down on the face, fold that flat, and you'll end up with a nice triangle. Now it's time to do the ears. Now the ears is probably the fiddliest bit of this whole process. Okay, so bring this point, and I'm just going to fold that inwards. And we'll do the same for the other side. There is a fold line that you can look at for reference. So once those two have been folded in, we're going to open them up. And now we are going to tuck the paper behind the face. So we're going to push it in using that fold, one of the lines of the fold that we just did. So lift the face up and pinch the back behind it. So pinch the paper behind the face. And now we're going to do the same for the other side. Lift the face up and pinch the paper so it goes behind it, like so. It folds nicely behind like that. This next bit is the fiddliest bit. Pull the side of the face over to the other side. Now fold the top line down to the bottom line. Fold that flat. Okay, open this fold up and then open the face up. And we're going to push those two together to create a pointy ear. So open this face up whilst pushing with your thumb. So we're going to push these two in together like this, and that will create a pointy ear. Then you can fold that flat. Now let's repeat that for the other side. So you want to push the face across, bring that top line down to the bottom edge and fold it flat. We're going to open that fold up and open the face up and push them together to create the point of the ear. Fold those down flat and fold the ear nicely. Fold the ear together, and now you have got two pointy ears. I'm just going to take you through this again. Open that fold up. Open the face up, push them together and pinch that ear up. And that will create your ears. Now we're going to create the tail. So pick your cat up, fold the body in half, Now fold down this line here. Give that a nice fold. And now we're going to reverse the fold, so we're going to put that back over along the same line and fold again. Okay, open the fold up. Now we're going to fold the tail across this line here. So fold it inwards towards the body. Pinch both sides of the body together and push in at the bottom of the tail. That will fold the cat's body together and create the tail. Okay, finishing touches. So we're going to open these two front legs up and then we're going to push the face down. So fold these two bits flat. So fold those two bits flat and push the face down. Push the ears down. Now we need to do the chin, so simply just tuck the chin underneath the face to create a nice little jaw. And now your paper cat is complete. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoy making more paper cats.